This property is a large, recently restored three-bedroom apartment with breathtaking panoramic view situated on the fourth floor of a large building in the center of Chieti Alta, near a public park and all important services. As we enter in the apartment, we immediately find a landing, and proceeding, we find a large living room with beautiful panoramic view on the surrounding hills and mountains. A large kitchen with a panoramic balcony on the same view. Next to the kitchen, we find a bathroom with shower facilities, and also a storage space with a window. The house also avails of a double bedroom with a window, a full bathroom with a bathtub, another double bedroom with a window, and a master bedroom that measures 22 square meters. The apartment is in perfect conditions. It was internally restored in 2008. It has new double-glazed windows, new flooring, and a plasterboard for ceiling to isolate from cold and noise. All utilities are connected, including central heating system, and it is for sale for €200,000.